And hello again, seventh graders. We added another element to equations today. Now we're looking at not multi-step, but two-step equations. Remember the last equations we looked at, we just had to use one step. These two-step equations are going to involve both a constant and a coefficient attached to a variable. So let's go ahead and do one, and I'll show you the process. All right. So we're going to write our equation. Let's use 2x plus 3 equals 15. And you're looking at your equation here, and you see it, 2x plus 3 equals 15. All right, our first step is we're always going to take care of the constant first. Okay, in two-step equations, you will always take care of the constant first. So the same simple rules apply. We're going to take care of this by using inverse operation. So we undo by using the opposite. The opposite of plus 3 is, of course, minus 3. These two will cancel. Whatever we've done on this side of the equal sign, we have to do on this side of the equal sign. So we're also going to subtract 3. 15 minus 3 gives us what? That's right, it gives us 12. So we'll write 12. After we have written 12, we're going to bring down what's left. Bring down your equal sign. And we're going to bring down the 2x. 2x, you remember from last time, is the same as saying 2 times x, right? And since we're using multiplication here, 2 times x, what's the opposite of multiplication? That's right, division. So we are going to use division. We're going to divide by 2. The 2's will cancel. All right, whatever we do on this side of the equal sign, we'll do on the next side. Okay, divide by 2. You can do mental math here. 12 divided by 2 gives you what? Of course, it gives you 6. Bring down your equal sign, bring down your x. And it looks as though that x is all by itself. Remember, the object is to isolate that variable. All right, so we'll go ahead and circle it, and that tells us that we are done. Pretty simple, right? Yes, let's go ahead and try one more. All right, it's going to look a little different, but the same rules basically apply. So let's get to it. Let's do x over 2 minus 6, and we're going to set that equal to 3. All right, remember that's the same as saying some number divided by 2, and then if you take away 6 from that, it's going to equal 3. So let's go ahead and do the process. Remember, we're going to deal with the constant first. So let's go ahead and use the opposite, the inverse operation. Opposite of minus 6 is plus 6. That cancels. Whatever we do on the one side, we have to do to the next. So we're going to add 6. 3 plus 6 gives us what? It gives us 9. All right, we'll bring down everything else. Our equal sign, bringing it on down. And we'll bring down our x over 2. X over 2. All right, don't get frightened when you see division problems in your equations. That's quite okay. The same rule applies. So since this means division, what is the opposite of division? You got it, multiplication. So we're going to multiply this whole thing by 2, right? These 2's are going to cancel. Whatever you do on one side, you got to do to the next. We're going to multiply 9 by 2. That gives us what? 18. You're absolutely right. We'll bring down our equal sign. We'll bring down our x. X equals 18. X equals 18. All right. Is that variable by itself? It is, so we are finished. You might be wondering, well, did I get that right? There's a way to check it. So let's go ahead and check it. Let's check to make sure what we did was correct. All right, so we're just going to plug the 18 in wherever we saw the x. So it's going to be 18 divided by 2 minus 6 equal to 3. All right, 18 divided by 2 gives us what? 9. Okay, 9 minus 6 is going to give us just some easy mental math, 3. All right, and of course, 3 equals 3. 9 minus 6 gives you 3. Okay, I'm not requiring that you check unless I tell you to, but it's always a good method to make sure if you're not sure if you did it correctly or not. All right. Thank you for joining me once again. Remember to keep on loving, keep on learning, and keep on leaning on God. I'll see you next time.